Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Van Inn. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located 15 miles from Splash Kingdom Waterpark, Van Inn offers 2-star accommodations in Van and has a garden. The property has a 24-hour front desk and a tour desk for guests. All guest rooms come with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a fridge, a coffee machine, a shower, free toiletries and a desk. Featuring a private bathroom with a bath and a hairdryer, rooms at the motel also feature free Wi-Fi. At Van Inn the rooms come with bed linen and towels. The nearest airport is Tyler Pounds Regional Airport, 21 miles from the accommodation. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.